Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7386A. Only 20,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, summit white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Silverado is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 6, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, heavy-duty trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Integrated trailer brake control. Gauges, again only 20,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size 4-wheel drive pickup. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, 16 in the city, 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6386A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.